Hi, in this tutorial we learn how to use the basic tools to draw the basic shapes in Illustrator. But before we start learning about basic shapes, we'll learn about selection tool so that it is easy for us to select and edit them later. Selection tool. Selection tool is used to move, resize and select the shape. The second is a direct selection tool. Direct selection tool selects one anchor point instead of the whole shape. It helps in editing the shape by choosing single anchor point. The first shape is the rectangle. Click on the rectangle. Click on the arrow here. The basic shapes appear in this floating toolbar. Click on the rectangle. Click on the screen. Choose the width and the height of the rectangle and press OK. Here a square appears. This is how you draw a square. You could also click, press shift and drag and you get a square. Or if you just basically click and drag, you get a rectangle. You can also click and choose different width and height and you will get a rectangle. The second shape is the rounded rectangle tool. Click on it. Click in the center of your artboard, choose the width, height, and this is the rounded radius you can choose and click OK. You could also click, press shift and drag, you get a circle like that, or just basically click and drag. Next is the ellipsis tool. Click on it. You can click and drag on your board. You could also click, choose the width and the height, say OK, or you could press shift and drag and you get a perfect circle. Select the radius, select the number of sides and say OK. Come here and you can fill the color like this. Next is star tool. Select the star here, click on your artboard, select the radius 1 to specify the distance from the center of the star to the star's innermost point. Select radius 2 to specify the distance from the center of the star's outermost point. You can change the number of points you want the star to have and then click OK. Next is the flare tool. Select the tool, click on your artboard. You can change the diameter of the flare. You can increase the opacity, decrease the opacity, change the brightness, increase or decrease the number of rays, change the percentage of the longest layer, change the percentage of the longest ray, decrease or increase the fuzziness, the halo growth, the halo fuzziness, you can change the path of the rings, you can increase or decrease the number of rings. Again, change the longest ring size. You can change the direction. Click on OK. This is the review of basic shapes. For further queries, please contact us on info@aonlinetraining.com. Thank you.